Hello everyone, we are going to be solving daily code problem 869 recorded power of 2. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. Failure is inevitable, but each attempt teaches us something new. By persisting and failing better, we refine our efforts, grow stronger, move closer to success. The message is to embrace failure as part of the journey rather than a final defeat, right? So always keep accepting failures as something towards a better progress, right? And take the learnings and keep moving forward. So this is a medium type problem. uh, Reordered power of 2. You are given an integer n. We reorder the digits in any order including the original order such that the leading digit is not 0. Return true if and only if we can do this so that the resulting number is a power of 2. And we can go through all these constraints, but uh, the whole idea here is any given number, let's say 1 to 5 or so. Consider this as a typical example. If we can represent it in terms of 2 power k, and let's say if this is 512, this can be represented uh, maybe to the power, let's say something power of 2, let's say 512 divided by 2, say 2156, and this might be something like 8, and this can be 2 power 9. I'm just writing it as 2 power 9. So so let's say this can be represented as 2 power 9. We need to, let's say if let's say this would be our input number 1 to 5, and on reordering this digits we see that 512 can be represented as 2 power 9 and we can return true. Similarly here, reordering this to any specific digit doesn't give us to an, a valid answer such that it can be represented as 2 power some number, right? So the whole idea on how we can solve this problem is, let's say uh, this constraint is a key thing to consider. 10 power 9 is what the value of n would be. So the input number will always be less than 2 power 9. So if we generate all the 2 power 9 digits, we end up somewhere around this range. So if we sort these digits to 1 to 5, maybe this is already sorted 1 to 5, and if we create such digits of 2 power 9 by create something between a range of 2 power 32, 0 to 32, and we create all the 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 power 32, and we sort the resulting value and check with the number input number and see if we can get this value matching with this one, and then we can return true, else we return false. So that's the whole idea that we are going to be taking to approach this problem solution. So I'll go to the Leetcode editor and quickly apply the solution that I am discussing here. So this will give us the sorted value of the input number that we are looking for. So this gives us the 2 power value, and also we are going to do the same operation as whatever we did here. And once we do that, we check. We return true, else if there is no match, then we return false. That's the whole idea. So let's try submitting this solution. So even though we solved it pretty easily, there might be many other approaches. I would like to hear what you guys think on how to solve this problem differently. The time and space complexity of the solution that I have here would be O of n and n. O of n because we are having to create this for loop for a bounded range of 30 values with 2 power 30 items, and this value will also be a constant even though we are having to create a string here, right? Hope you found this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.